Hi guys, so today we thought we would film our winter cozy morning routine. So we both usually wake up around 8 o'clock, and of course the first thing that we do is go on our phones. So the first things that me and Asha always do is we make sure that we are organised and have everything on schedule. We just find that this way is a great way to start our day.
Christmas has found us, yet another year. We are the fortunate ones, all us daughters and sons, everyone's still here.
Okay, so it wouldn't be a cozy morning routine without having a Lush bath. So as you can see, I'm using all of my favourite Lush products in the bath today, and oh my god, it smelled absolutely insane. So while Ayse decided to have a nice cozy bath, I opted for a shower. So these are my favourite products to use at the moment in the shower. I'm literally obsessed with Snow Fairy by Lush. There's just something so satisfying about a Christmas tree. Honestly, Christmas makes me so happy and I cannot wait for it to come. Okay, so one thing me and Zeliha love doing together is actually wrapping presents. I'm definitely not trusted to wrap the presents. I'm always on sellotape duty. Zeliha never lets me wrap, but to be honest, I am awful. So if you ever receive a present from me and Zeliha, just know that Zeliha wrapped it. Okay, so then we decided to use a face mask, and the one that we used is actually from Lush. This is my favourite mask, it's the only one I use, and it's called Mask of Magnanimity. And then we decided to have a little bit of a Christmas sing-song. Me and Zeliha love doing that, and yes. Okay, so today I was on breakfast duty, but first things first, I just wanted to wipe down the surfaces. So I'm just using these microfiber cloths from Primark, along with my favourite Christmas scented flash spray.
Walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love.
So then here we are, just planning videos for our YouTube, so any upcoming content that we want to do. And yeah, so that is pretty much our morning routine. We really hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please smash it a big thumbs up and we will catch you in our next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!
To me, it's perfectly